Hello, welcome back, viewers. Welcome back again to one of the video. So let's talk about a cool feature that we have here in Tableau, which we're going to talk about as the aliases function. So when I say aliases, it means, let's say, pseudo names, or let's say alternate names, or you can say referred by. Right? So it's just the alternate names that you're going to give to some member. Let's say your name is David, and you are just called or referred by Dave. Or let's say your name is Christopher, and you are just referred with Chris, right? Or let's say if you're doing your master's in business administration, you just say that you do MBA, right? So it does not mean the meaning is changing. It's just the same meaning, but we're just calling that with the different names, right? That's what it means. So similarly, we are going to check, let's say if we have some table, and under the table, we have some field. When I say a field, that means, let's say if I have some column, and inside the column, I have some members. Let's say I have a north, I have to refer with N, just the alphabet. Let's say if I have a south, I have to refer with S. Let's say if I have west, I have to refer with W, so on and so forth, right? This is just an example. So similarly, if you want to refer a member with some other names or some other string, you can definitely do that in Tableau, okay? So let me quickly show you that in the Tableau. I have the data set here. I gave the example that a northwest, east, south, right? So I have a field here, which is a region. Under the region, I have few, the members, right? South, west, east, so on and so forth. I want to rename this with some other thing. So just go to this drop down, select the field, go to the drop down, and you have an option called aliases. Just click this, you get a dialog box to edit it. So these are the members, different members that is available inside this column, inside this field, and what is the value that you have to give to them. Let's say for central, I want to give CC. For east, I have to refer with EE. For south, SS, and west is WW, right? So I just click OK here, and quickly the aliases which you gave started reflecting here, right? Now let's say you have changed this into an aliases, and now in the preview pane, you don't want to see this short forms. I want to see the full names. It does not mean that you're removing the aliases. You're just seeing that in the preview pane, I don't want to see the short forms, right? I want to see the full forms, but I need the short forms to be present when I do some analysis. If you don't want to see the short forms here, the aliases here, you see here on the right corner, the gear-shaped icon, the settings icon. Go there and uncheck this show aliases. Now see here, it appears to be that aliases is completely removed. It is showing original, right? Yes, it is showing original. But when I go to the sheet, and let's say when I pull the regions here, and when I pull the sales field to do the analysis, you will still see this, the pseudo names, the aliases function that you applied, right? So that means in the data source page, you're just hiding the view of the aliases effect. But in case if you want to totally remove it, I don't want aliases, right? If you want to totally remove it, select the field again, go to the drop down, aliases, and just clear aliases and hit OK. Now your total aliases is removed. When you go to the sheet one, and when you see now, you should be able to see the full names. Okay. I think this was interesting, and we'll connect back to you in the next video. Thanks for watching. In case if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, please let them know on the comment section. I'll be happy to help you if you have any questions. All right, connect with you on next video. Bye.